Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the Shidou Azure Latch model and current firmware so you know which procedure applies. Once confirmed, charge the latch above 50% and connect the USB-C cable. This avoids mid-update failures. Make sure you have admin access on the paired system and, if needed, a small screwdriver to open the access panel. Now, put the latch in pairing mode by holding the side button for 5 seconds. This starts communication and prepares it for configuration. Next, open the Azure Latch application or portal and select Add Device to start pairing. This is where careful attention matters because wrong choices lock functionality. Enter the device PIN shown on the latch display and confirm pairing. Once paired, configure timeout, auto-lock delay, and lock behavior so it matches your access policy. Assign an admin account and set any secondary users now. Once done, save settings and run a test lock/unlock cycle. To verify. To finish, perform 3 full lock-unlock tests, logging each result to confirm consistent behavior. Repeat tests with each assigned user to verify permissions. If the latch is unresponsive, reboot the device, reconnect the cable, and retry pairing. This resolves most transient issues. If firmware update or pairing still fails, perform a controlled factory reset and reapply the latest firmware, but note this erases stored users. Only reset as a last resort. One quick troubleshooting tip. Check USB power and cable quality first, since
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.